Alright, that it's that scratch, that itchy, scratch. This is a set that I bought, okay, a little Polybag, although it's paper bag, here in Turkey this month, on the 1st. But it says not currently available in the States. Interesting. It's called Birthday Party Animals. It was a gift we purchased, so we buy them, which is normal for here, but there you go. There it is, 60 pieces, 306.89. And that's pretty much it, really. Age 6+. So I'm going to build it and show you what it looks like at the end. You can't buy it. Maybe you can source it. I mean, I can get them in Turkey, so maybe you can source it somewhere else. Let me know what you think of the videos that I've been doing. If the format is right and you're happy with everything, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Tell your friends. Thank you very much for all your support. See you when I finish this. Have a good time waiting for me to do this. It must take a long time.
A few moments later.
Oh, well, that was easy. Nice and finished and done and sorted. Awesome. Right, so we have a birthday present. A little pink birthday present. Very pretty. And we have a wonderful giraffe. I love his eyes. Very cool. Simple. These are very simple builds. He's got a tail, of course, right there, which you can kind of do whatever you want with, really. But yeah, little party hat on, which is awesome. And then the monkey, got to be my favourite because I love monkeys. Don't know why. He's holding the birthday cake with a single candle. With his open mouth. Very cool. There's the back, nothing special on the back, but he has also got a tail. So I don't know, maybe $5-6 or something for this set if you find it. I don't know, but I kind of like it. It's very simple, but kids will love putting this together, maybe on their birthday. It's cheap enough if you can find it. What else can I say? Worth the money? I'd have thought so. This is for age 6+, so if you have an age 6+ child, find it, get it, or have a look at some of my other videos on itch that scratch that itch, okay, scratch that itch, because there's plenty of sets there you could buy and still probably get as well. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.